Autodesk Construction Cloud Project Creation Tutorial. By clicking on Create Project, you can start creating your project by inserting your project information, such as the project name, project number, account, and type. You can choose your company's project template if available. Also add the address, time zone, start date, end date, and cost if available. Once you have finished filling in all the information, the project will be created and your email will become the project admin by default. As the project admin, you can select the ACC modules that you want to use. Next, you can start adding project members by writing down their emails. Once you've finished, you can also assign them their respective roles and companies from the available drop-down list. And also you can change any member company or role even after accessing the project. You can also assign them their access levels, which is either member or admin, and selecting the appropriate modules for each. If you want, you can edit or remove any member. Once you've finished, the invitation will be sent to all the added members. Each member will receive an invitation email once they accept and join the project. They will initially not see any folders or data because the project admin has not yet assigned permissions to the members. This leads to the next step, creating the project's folder structure and assigning folder permissions to the members. After selecting the Docs module to access the Files tool, start by adding the required subfolders. Regarding the folder permissions, each folder and subfolder has its own set of permissions, and as the project admin, you'll automatically get permissions over all folders and subfolders by default. Now, let's add the first member to the folder permissions. We'll add him to the main folder and give him edit permissions. By default, he'll inherit the same permissions for every subfolder branching from the main folder. Next, we'll add the second member. And we'll give her create permissions, but only for the archive folder. If we go through the other folders, you'll find her only in the archive folder permissions and nowhere else. And just as easy as that, you can create and start your project.